Auto power off 5 minutes. In order to get into pre-record, tap or swipe up, hit the video, set the pre-record for how many seconds, from 5 seconds up to a minute. When finished, you're on pre-record. Let's show you what the screen allows you to do. Allow it to finish its 10-second pre-record. If I tap on the card or anywhere over here or swipe down, never comes on. I'm able to see how much battery percentage I have. If I tap on pre-record, I'm able to get rid of pre-record. So in order to do pre-record, again, you go into video, pre-record. I'm going to do 5 seconds. You could tap and zoom. You cannot change your video resolution or pre-record. The only way that you can disable pre-record is to tap on pre-record. 5 minutes goes by, allow the camera to shut off, and pre-record will disappear and you're back on regular camera. We're past 5 minutes of standby and it does not shut down. So there may be something that is holding it back by having pre-record set on. We'll wait 15 minutes and see what happens. We're 30 minutes in. The DJI will not shut off. It will run out of power. I will not go any further than 30 minutes. And we are 32 minutes in as I checked. I started this 5 minutes prior, 32 minutes plus. Looks like we'll run out of power before this will shut off. Way to cancel is either hit the badge or hit the on and off. If we don't shut it off and just slide once, it doesn't shut off or cancel. This will just record, that will cancel. The next question was loop recording. Go to the resolution, hit the video. You want to go into the loop recording. I apologize, I had to go back. And you have from 1 hour, 20 minutes, 5 minutes maximum. Let's leave it at 5 minutes. The question is, can we do 4K 16:9 at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, 60, 100, 120? Nothing is grayed out. It will record. 4K, same thing. You can only go as high as 60, 50, 48, 30, 25, 24. Bring it to 2.7, 24, all the way up to 60. 16:9, 24, all the way up to 120. 1080p, 24, all the way up to 240. You have Rocksteady Plus. So the resolution and frame rates should not affect it. And then we have off. What I will do is just hit the record at 240, 1080p, 240. I know you want me to go through every single one. 200. 120. And so forth. To get out of it, you go back into 1080p. You want to look for the 5 minutes, click on it, take it off the loop recording, bring it to the off position, back out, and you want to reset your camera up to how you had it recording. And then you could back out. If you want to save a custom, you go down, you go here, and you save 4K 120 loop recording 5 minutes, like so. I know you didn't ask this question, but take the battery out, remove it entirely, go to the other side, plug it in. I didn't hit anything and it came on, and I'm able to enable low light recording, record without a battery, just like so. Device overheated, recording stopped. That is my very first overheat. And I overheated because I was on standby. And there, is it good to overheat when you don't have a battery and you're plugged into power? I find that funny. Overheat and shut off. The Action 3, overheat 3 seconds, shut off. So I'm going to remove the cable. I'm going to close the door and I'm going to record. Now, I'm not overheating if I'm recording with a battery. It's just funny that I overheated because I took the battery out and I don't have enough power. I find that as a error, a problem. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to remove the battery while recording. Maybe it's going to overheat. I put my finger in here and it is hot, not burning hot. The battery's hot, that's pretty hot, not burning, and I'm not overheating. So sometimes you see these problems, they come about. I hope this video was somewhat helpful in answering your questions or anybody's questions on the market.